Hey everyone, today I am with Sierra and today we are going to be doing a photo shoot using a continuous light outdoors. And I'm only going to be using one camera, the Nikon Z6III with the Youngyo 85mm f1.8. That's all I'm using. I'll leave links to all the gear that I'm using today down below. Of course, please press that like, that share, to subscribe and all that good stuff. Now let's get to it. One of the biggest challenges during this photo shoot was trying to get the good exposure. I did want some of that ambient light to come into the lens, but since an LED light isn't pound for pound as powerful of a as much as a flash, then you would have to slow down your shutter speed to get a little bit more ambient, but not too much, because then you'll introduce that good old blur. Okay, because the model's moving, you're moving, etc. So a flash would freeze it. So what I did was, or what you should do, is try to bump up the ISO, but then again, now you're introducing noise. So the most natural thing for you to do is be able to turn up the power of the LED light itself. So having a powerful light really does come in handy if this is what you want to do. When I was editing these photos, I did notice a little bit of noise, just due to the fact that I did have to bump up the ISO a bit higher than normal compared to when I use a flash. But Lightroom was able to take it away with no problem, and I actually liked some of the character texture coming from the digital noise in these photos. One of the best advantages of using an LED light is that you can see how the light is working with your subject before you even bring your camera up to your eye. I'm gonna have to admit that the only pain in the neck part during this photo shoot was the fact that I had to, well, plug in my light source. Yeah, I had to find a DC powered outlet for that light, and I wasn't able to move it around to as much or as freely as I normally would be able to using my wireless mono lights. So that was probably a little bit of a drawback, but otherwise, you know what, I made it work. So let me know your thoughts about using a continuous LED light for portraits. Do you think there's some pros, some cons? Let me know whatever it is down in the comments. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description for all the gear I used during this photo shoot. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and yes, hit that bell to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.